What's up, guys? Justin here. Teyla's over there. Welcome to this week's episode of Teyla Hikes. Today we are back at Devil's Backbone. Decided to come out here again before they try to start charging for this place. So last time we were here, we did the Keyhole hike, which honestly that's probably the hike that 75% of the people do out here. It's only about a mile and a half round trip, so it's nothing too terrible. Today what I want to do is go past that and do a couple of the wild loop and the hunter loop and such. So last time when we were out here, we got to this point, this trail junction. I don't know if you can read that, but it says wild loop to the left or to the right. On this side, Keyhole. So we're gonna go this way because I don't want to go to the Keyhole again. For today's hike, we're going to gain a little bit of elevation, but once we get up to the top there, it kind of stays there and makes a loop around the hill, then we'll head back. Nothing too intense. Don't have a whole lot of time to get out here today, but the weather turned out amazing, and so here we are. So in this video, I'm probably going to skip all the boring, not the boring parts. I'm going to skip the sections of trail that I already hiked and showed you guys on the Keyhole hike. So if you haven't seen that video yet, there will be a card here or here, whichever side of the screen it shows up on. Go watch that video, and then you can come back and catch up with us on this video where we will hike past where we went in the first video. Alright, so I know I said the weather was amazing out today, but really, it's freaking amazing out today. The temperature's like, for me, it's right in that point where it's, if the sun's out and I'm in the sun, it's nice and warm. But if the clouds come out and the sun goes behind the cloud and I'm in the shade, then I want my sweatshirt on. Oh, I can never win. Welcome to life in Colorado. Speaking of, if you made it this far, scroll down to the comments section, leave a hashtag Colorado Life in the comments for me. Go ahead, I'll wait. I ain't going anywhere. Well, I am, I'm on a hike, but I'll wait for you to come back. Alright, you should be done by now. Look at this view. Oh, weather's amazing today. I love Colorado. Alright, Chad, let's keep going. We'll catch up to you guys in a bit. So we popped around this corner here. Got a great view of the Keyhole and the ridge. Let's see if I can point it out. Sorry. Keyhole is right in there, but we are going that way. Let's go. Wow, can't believe that shot worked. Alright, so we're at the point where the wild loop meets up with the wild loop. Up here, if we were to take a left, it would take us up to the Keyhole, but we're gonna stay right and go a little farther uphill. So this is where the fun part begins. See the mountain bike coming down the hill? Up we go. Alright guys, so it's now the end of October and winter will soon be upon us. So my question to you is, what kind of videos do you want to see Teyla and I do over the winter while it's cold and crappy out? Because I don't like hiking in the snow and I don't like being out in the cold in general. I mean, unless we're snowboarding or sledding or skiing or, you know, doing a winter activity, but not hiking, not in the snow. So, do you want to see me do gear reviews? What gear I use with Teyla when we go hiking? Or do you want to see me do training videos? I can teach her new tricks over the winter. I think that could be fun. Teyla's pretty smart, so she figures it out. I don't know. I guess it's up to you guys. You tell me what you want to see. Leave it down in the comments below. Hey, you. Did you like the video yet? Did you subscribe yet? Well, you should do that right now. So we get to this point and we have, Teyla, stop it! The view. Alright, so the last view I just showed you was just over this hill. Up a little higher now. And of course it's sunny. I mean, not sunny. If it was sunny, I wouldn't have a sweatshirt on. Alright. Onward we go. Let's go, Teyla. Shh! Don't tell anybody I'm doing this. Alright, Teyla. So if I have to pick up dog poop, how come they don't have to pick up their horse poop? Right? I don't want to walk around that shit, just like they don't want to walk around Teyla's shit. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm all for everybody sharing the trails. You gotta keep it fair for everybody, right? I mean, when they have horses, speaking of, when they have horses in parades, they have poop bags. Why can't they put poop bags on their horses out on the trails? Speaking of poop, Teyla left me a present. I gotta clean it up with a poop bag. So we just got to the next trail junction where the Hunter Loop meets up with the Hunter Loop. And if we go this way, we take the Laughing Horse Loop. So we're gonna go this way, do this loop, come back, and that's the way we came from. So we'll take the trail, there it is, that way around the hill, and head back home later. All right, let's do this loop, and we'll catch up to you guys here in a little bit. So I'll admit, Devil's Backbone is not my favorite hiking space out here in Colorado, but it's got a couple good things going for it. One, it's free. Two, they allow dogs. Three, it's not that intense. You know, it's mostly rolling hills, you know. Trail looks like that for the most part. Well, we're about to one of my favorite spots out here on the trail. So we're gonna keep hiking a little bit, get to that spot, and take a break. I'll catch up with you guys when we get there. Well, we made it to my favorite spot out here at Devil's Backbone, on top of this ridge here. Got a nice view of the mountains. I think it's break time. Let's set up a time lapse and get to it. Holy cow. Just a herd of deer walking around. There's one guy up here. And all these guys. Alright guys, well, I'm on my way back to the car. There was a point on the way up to where we just stopped, where the trail split, and it really wasn't marked at all. It just said, you know, bicycle path, share the path, and that it was a difficult trail. Teyla, this way, come on, let's go. So I went to the left like I normally do, and after thinking about it, that was the split for the Laughing Horse Loop. So if you were to make the full loop, that's where it'd come back to. So we only went like 0.2 of a mile on the left, stopped for a break, and we're on our way back. When I get back to the trail junction for the Wild Loop, I'll come back to you guys and show you what that section of the trail is like. Be right back. Okay, literally I just put the camera away for like 2 minutes and I'm at the junction. So, as you can see here, maybe, Hunter Loop. Trail behind me is where we came. And that is the trail we're going down. So, let's go this way, Teyla. So basically, I hope you can hear me over this wind, but basically we just hike around this little mountain here, or this hill, back up with the other trail we were on, and that takes us back to the Keyhole Trail or the Wild Loop. Either way, it'll take us back to the car. Alright, so that's the ridge we were just on. We were around the backside, overlooking the houses there. That's where the deer were. But we are going this way. Come on. Gotta go up here. I don't know if you can see the fence down there, but that fence comes up the valley here, meets up with the trails. And then we are back on the Wild Loop that we started on. And the sun decided to come out again, so now I'm hot. But good news is we've made it back to the junction, so let's get up there real quick. And we made it. Teyla, you ready to go home? Huh? No? Well, I am. So, let's keep going. We're down here at Devil's Backbone. But before you leave, look down below. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for next week's episode. And this is Teyla Hikes, and we are going on an adventure.